Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your UniFi controller configs to Google Drive step by step clearly. Open your computer and launch the UniFi controller software. Log in to your UniFi controller using your admin credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings menu. Look for the option labeled Backup. Click on the Backup option to access backup settings. Here, you will see an option to create a backup file. Click the Download button to save the backup file to your local device. Choose a location on your computer to store this backup file. Next, open your web browser and navigate to Google Drive. Log in to your Google Drive account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the My Drive section. Click on the plus new button on the left side of the page. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Locate the backup file you downloaded from the UniFi controller. Select the file and click Open to begin the upload. Wait for the upload process to complete. Once uploaded, you can organize the file in your Google Drive if desired. To ensure your backup is accessible, note the file name and location. You have now successfully backed up your UniFi controller configs to Google Drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.